Worried about finding dog crates that actually keep your furry friend safe and secure without causing anxiety? I've identified the 5 dog crates that truly deliver on both safety and comfort. Our rigorous testing process, which includes escape-proof trials and long-term durability assessments, has revealed exactly what makes these crates stand out from the countless options available. Each one has unique features that could be perfect for your dog's specific needs. So make sure to watch the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Here we go. Number 5. SportPet Designs XXL Rolling Dog Crate combines the convenience of mobility with airline travel approval, making it perfect for large breed owners who need flexibility. The rolling wheels snap on and off easily, so you can move your crate around the house effortlessly or remove them for stationary use. What's particularly impressive is the Yaheetech airline approval, which means you won't face any compliance issues when flying with your pet. Additionally, it includes everything you need for air travel, including 2 feeding dishes, 4 live animal stickers, and the required metal bolts and nuts that airlines typically require. The XXL size accommodates dogs under 36 inches long and 26 inches high, giving larger breeds plenty of room to stand, turn around, and lie down comfortably. Moreover, the durable plastic construction handles regular use and travel bumps, while remaining surprisingly easy to assemble. However, keep in mind, this crate is specifically designed for kennel-trained pets only. If your dog isn't already comfortable with crate training, you'll need to work on that foundation first before using this particular model. Picture yourself preparing for a cross-country move or vacation with your German Shepherd or Golden Retriever. You can easily roll the crate from room to room during packing. Then, confidently board your flight, knowing you have airline-approved equipment that keeps your pet safe and comfortable throughout the journey. For owners of large, kennel-trained dogs who value both everyday convenience and travel readiness, this rolling crate offers practical solutions that make pet ownership easier. You can check today's price on Amazon through the link below. Number 4. Yaheetech 42 Double Door Dog Crate brings exceptional versatility to medium and large breed owners, especially if you're raising a puppy that'll grow into a full-sized Labrador, Golden Retriever, or Border Collie. What makes this crate particularly clever is its adjustable divider panel that essentially grows with your dog, letting you start with a smaller space for potty training and gradually expand it as they mature. The double door design offers real flexibility in how you position the crate around your home. You can access your dog from either the front or side, which becomes incredibly useful when you're dealing with tight spaces or furniture arrangements. Additionally, the collapsible design means you can fold this entire crate down to just 4 inches high when you're not using it. What's even better is the detachable carrying handle that makes transport surprisingly manageable. Whether you're moving between rooms, heading to a vacation rental, or storing it away, you won't struggle with awkward lifting or positioning. Moreover, the leak-proof tray slides out completely for easy cleaning, and those locking buckles ensure your dog can't accidentally push it around or create a mess. The folding mechanism uses a simple buckle setup that doesn't require tools or complicated assembly steps. However, keep in mind, this crate works best for dogs that are already comfortable with crate training, since the construction prioritizes portability over maximum security for anxious or destructive pets. Picture bringing home an 8-week-old puppy and using the divider to create the perfect den-sized space. As they grow over the months, you simply adjust or remove the divider until they have full access to the spacious interior. For owners who value adaptability and convenience in their dog's living space, this crate delivers practical solutions that evolve with your pet's needs. You can buy directly from Amazon using the link in the description. Number 3. Midwest iCrate Dog Crate with Divider stands out as the perfect solution for small breed owners, especially if you're bringing home a puppy that'll grow from 8 to 25 pounds. What makes this crate particularly smart is its adjustable divider panel that essentially grows with your dog, letting you start with a cozy den-sized space for house training and gradually expand it as they mature. The enhanced security features really set this model apart from basic wire crates. The slide bolt door latch now includes what Midwest calls a paw block with locking tips, which prevents clever dogs from manipulating the latch and making their own escape plans. Additionally, the 24 by 17 inch size gives small breeds plenty of room to stand, turn around, and stretch comfortably. What's even better is how practical the design is for everyday use. The leak-proof plastic pan slides out completely for easy cleaning after accidents, and the entire crate folds flat without requiring any tools for assembly or storage. Moreover, you get protective rubber feet that won't scratch your floors, and a convenient carrying handle for moving between rooms or traveling. However, keep in mind, this crate is specifically sized for smaller dogs, under 25 pounds. So, owners of medium or large breeds will need to look at other options we've covered. The single door design also means less placement flexibility compared to the double door models we saw earlier. Picture starting with a new puppy and using the divider to create the perfect bathroom training environment, then gradually giving them more space as they prove themselves trustworthy. For small breed owners owners who value security, adjustability, and hassle-free setup. This crate delivers reliable solutions that adapt to your pet's changing needs. You can check today's price on Amazon through the link below. Number 2. FDW36 Dog Crate with double door delivers practical convenience. That makes it particularly appealing for budget-conscious owners who still want essential features. What immediately stands out is the dual-door design, which gives you real flexibility in positioning the crate around your home and provides alternative entry points that can help anxious dogs feel more comfortable with their space. The rust-resistant metal wire construction handles everyday use while remaining lightweight, enough to move around easily when you need to relocate it between rooms. Additionally, the leak-proof plastic tray covers the entire bottom and features a textured surface that prevents food and water bowls from sliding around during mealtime, which eliminates those annoying scraping sounds that can disturb your household. What's even better is how straightforward the assembly process is. You won't need special tools or spend hours figuring out complicated instructions, and the entire crate folds down for convenient storage or travel. Moreover, the manufacturer provides after-sale customer service support, which adds reassurance if you encounter any issues down the road. The 36-inch size works well for small to medium breeds, giving them enough room to stand, turn around, and lie down comfortably without feeling cramped. However, keep in mind, this crate works best for dogs that aren't excessive chewers or escape artists. The wire construction prioritizes affordability and convenience over maximum security for particularly destructive pets. Picture setting up a comfortable space for your Beagle or Cocker Spaniel in your living room, then easily repositioning it to the bedroom at night using the convenient side door access. For owners who need essential crate features without breaking the budget, this model offers practical solutions that handle daily use effectively. You can check today's price on Amazon through the link below. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. Number 1. Midwest Large Dog Crate takes security seriously with their newly enhanced paw block latch system that prevents even the most clever escape artists from manipulating the door mechanism. What makes this particularly impressive is how it combines maximum security with practical everyday features that large breed owners actually need. The 42 by 28 by 31 inch size gives dogs weighing 70 to 90 pounds plenty of room to stand, turn around, and stretch comfortably. But you'll want to size up if your dog is approaching the upper weight limits. Additionally, the included divider panel makes this crate incredibly versatile, letting you start with a smaller space for puppy training and gradually expand it as your dog matures. What's even better is how user-friendly the design is for daily maintenance. The leak-proof plastic pan slides out completely for easy cleaning after accidents, and the entire crate folds flat without requiring any tools for assembly or storage. Moreover, you get protective rubber feet that won't damage your floors and a convenient carrying handle for moving between rooms. However, keep in mind, this is a single-door design, which offers less placement flexibility compared to the double-door models we covered earlier. The wire construction also works best for dogs that aren't excessive chewers or particularly anxious about confinement. Picture bringing home a German Shepherd puppy and using the divider to create the perfect house training environment, then removing it months later to give your full-grown dog complete access to their spacious den. For owners of large breeds who prioritize security and long-term value, this crate delivers reliable solutions that grow with your pet's needs. You can check today's price on Amazon through the link below. So, which one would you choose? You can see updated prices and buy the products on Amazon from the link in the description.